Hi everybody, if you get a chance, just pop by our website, VPNforCodi.com. We've got everything for your VPNs for whatever country you're in, and also all the best VPNs that are available. We've also got your install guides for your APKs, your builds, your best Android boxes, and everything you'd want to know about Kodi. How to unlock your Netflix outside the USA, and also how to watch BBC iPlayer outside the UK. Okay. Now, if you're looking at wanting to watch Chinese films and programs outside of China, this is the place to go. It unlocks everything. And if you also want to unlock your Hulu, this is the place where we can show you how to get it with the best VPN for it. Okay, so there you go guys, everything across the top of here, all your how-to guides, all your installs, everything that you'd want to know is all in there. Don't forget, it's VPNforCodi.com. Thanks very much for watching. Hi everybody and welcome to Kodi Solutions. Well, I've got a great looking build for you this weekend, and this one is called the Terrarium TV build. Very similar to the APK, purely and simply movies and TV shows. Now this one's around about, I think it's 300 megabytes if I can remember rightly, give or take a few, but it's going to be fine on all your devices. Now as you can see, just looking at this one, it does look exactly like the APK. Now on the left hand side we have our sort of buttons with everything that we want to do. So on here at the top you'll have your TV shows, your movies, your favorites, your TV calendars, IPTV paid, your app menu, settings, and your search option. Okay, so if you want to search for anything, click on that one like this. It'll give you a choice, movies or TV shows, what one you're particularly looking for. So let's say we're going to have a look for a movie. Click on that. I'm going to look for something like Grease. So let's just say G-R-E-A-S-E. Click on done. Just give it a second or two as it searches for it. Quite an old film. There it is, 1978. It's on there. In case of going on that, come down to it and then just click on it. It's just going to go through its providers, try and find it for us. Quite an old one, so hopefully it'll be there. Just pluck something out of there, a little bit obscure, hopefully it'll be there for us. And then it'll just go through the providers for us, and then it should give us a list of the quality of the film that's there. Okay, so we can actually get that in HD with Putlocker. Pretty good source. One of my favourite ones, fairly reliable. And this should just start the film up for you now. Beautiful, working nicely. Okay, now that's not guaranteed with every film that's out there, but looks pretty good so far. And then when you want to come out, just go back all the way at the beginning. Now as you can see here, you've got TV shows, your movies, and your favourites, and your TV calendar. If you want to look at a different type of film or a TV show, just click to the left and it has the different categories: trending, new shows, premieres, your most popular, and things like that. So let's have a little look at most popular. Give that a click and see what that pops up with. So you'll have your Discovery, your Game of Thrones, American Horror Show, Stephen's IT or It. Then you've got movies. Just go to the left on there and let's have a look at most popular, or should we go for, yeah, let's go for what's most popular. Highlight that and see what they've got in there. So you've got It, Blade Runner, Spider-Man. Let's come down to Spider-Man, give that one a try, highlight it and click on it. So we'll just give that just a little bit of time, go through some providers. Now I know you can actually get this on 1080p, I've seen it scratching around a few places, so hopefully this should be able to pick it up for us as well. Okay, it's definitely in HD, just a simple size. It might be scrolled down a bit further in the list, but normally they put the 1080p at the very top, and I don't think it's going to be here. Okay, not a problem, looks like we've got it on HD, so we'll move on. Give that a click at the very top, and that should start the film straight away for you. Okay, looks like we're going to get the film straight away now. Now as I say, I don't play more than 5 seconds, purely and simply for copyright. It's not that I'm being a twat, but it's just that it's just the way it is. Otherwise I'll get it taken off. Okay, there you go. All working quite nicely. Now as you can see here, you've got your favourite section and your TV calendar. TV calendar, just a case of clicking on that, and that will give you everything that's in that week, anything that's half decent. So let's have a look and see. Sunday 8th of October. Pardon me, let's just try Sunday the 8th. Give that a click and it tells you good stuff that's on that day. Okay, so there you go guys, nice build. If you like it, just follow the video straight afterwards. I'm going to show you how to install it. Thanks very much for watching. Take care now. Okay then guys, well I hope you actually enjoyed that Terrarium TV build. It's very, very straightforward on how we're going to install it. So always recommend that you have a nice clean build of Kodi, which means that you've done a fresh start on the previous build and you've wiped every add-on that you had on there before. And then you'll find that the build will install properly for you. So first things first is we need to get over to this one here, the settings button, right in the center, shaped with a cogwheel. Okay, so just click on that and then come down to File Manager. Okay, now when you highlight that, just click on it. Okay, now we need to go over to the left hand side. As you can see here, add source, so just double click on that and this screen will pop up here with none. So just go over to that and just click on that now. This is the path where we're going to put the URL, and the URL you want to be typing in is this one here. Just copy it exactly as you see it. http://jesusboxrepo.xyz/repo. Okay, just copy it exactly as you see it. Okay, and I'll just give you a little bit of time to get that down. You can pause the video if you'd like, and then you can carry on to the next part. Okay, so when we've got that down, come over to the right hand side and you'll see this part here. Okay, just click on that. Now that's going to leave a repo in the bottom box as a name, so that's fine. If you've got that, just leave that as that and then click OK. Now you'll see that's gone over to the left hand side and it's also on the right. That's fine, no problems at all. Now you want to backspace or press your escape button or home button to go all the way back to your Kodi home page, and this is the home page here. Okay, come down to add-ons. You won't have anything in there, so just ignore that. Just click on add-ons and then go up to the open box that you'll see in the top left hand corner. Just highlight it and click on it. Come down to install from a zip file, highlight it and click on it, and then go down to that one, repo. So we just highlight it there and then just click on it. Now I always go down to the very bottom and just install the repository JesusBox TV. Now you can go to the one above, but I always find it, I like to go this way. It gets the repository and then I always like to install it from there. Okay, now when that's done, just go to install from a repository and highlight it and click on it. Go to the JesusBox repository, highlight it and then just click on it there. Go to program add-ons, the middle one, highlight it, give it a click, and then what we want is the Flixborn wizard. So highlight it, this screen will pop up here, and as you can see in the bottom right hand corner it's got install. So we just highlight it in blue and then just install it. Now as you can see here, the wizard is now installed, so we just wait till that pop-up's gone away and we'll go back space all the way back to your home page again. Now when you highlight add-ons, you'll see that you've got Flixborn show in there, or Flixborn wizard. Okay, come across and highlight it and then just click on it there. Now there's some good looking builds in this one here. As you can see, we've got a fresh start, we've got freedom, epic war, Flixnet, Genesis reborn, and we've also got the Terrarium TV. Now they've got a few choices here, so if there's the ones that you'd like to maybe choose instead, it's exactly the same process all the way. So we've got freedom, epic war, Flixnet, which obviously is possibly going to look more like your Flixnet as you say, Genesis reborn, and then of course we've got Terrarium TV. Sorry, the one I was thinking, Netflix, so that's obviously what it's going to try and look like. Pick the one that you want and then just case of clicking on it and it will automatically start downloading. So let's just click on Terrarium TV and then just see it is there now start to download. As you can see, the progress bar is just working its way along, and then just let it finish its download, it'll do its extract and then it'll tell you to unplug, force close it, job's done. Okay, so if you like it, please give a thumbs up, I really would appreciate it. Please look at the other videos in the channel, check out our website, and thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you now. Bye now.